So pretty. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. And Assamese thali is incomplete without the side of mashed potatoes. Today in this video, I'm going to make an Assamese thali side called Alu Pitika. It is nothing but mashed potatoes with onions, spiced with chilies, and a little bit of mustard oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What a bright sunny day. I hope I'm not talking too soon. It might just rain anytime. The ingredients required to make this dish are 2 medium-sized potatoes that have been boiled, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of raw mustard oil, salt to taste, and coriander for garnishing. I'm making use of cilantro or the spiny coriander. The first thing that we need to do is boil our potatoes. I have already boiled mine, so let's peel them. Potatoes are peeled and ready. All that's left to do now is mash the potatoes. I'm going to be making use of a steel glass to mash these potatoes. I think they are really good and my hands just fits inside the glass, so it's very easy to mash. So let's mash the potatoes here. The potatoes are mashed. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients. Add some salt. Now we can add the raw mustard oil. I'm making use of the spiny coriander, also known as cilantro, because I don't have fresh coriander at home. Give it a good mix. I just love the flavor that the mustard oil gives, and I'm just going to add a tad bit more to this. And voila, your Alu Pitika is ready. But wait, just a tad bit more of mustard oil. There you go, your Alu Pitika is ready and it looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to have it. I just had my breakfast, but my mouth is watering just looking at it, so I'm going to go and eat it soon as I finish this video off. And who doesn't love potatoes, right? Potatoes in any form. My god, I love potatoes. Anyways, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.